Good morning, everyone. I'm Tina. Today, I would like to clean up the bathroom. Usually, I use this liquid cleaner. It's called Eco Store toilet cleaner. It's very popular in Japan now because it's eco, and many Japanese people, especially the young people, say it's cute, so they use this. First of all, I put this liquid cleaner here, and also this one. Sorry, it doesn't say anything, but this is a magic green, Japanese product. It's good too. So I use this. And I use this one, aroma spray, room spray. My husband doesn't like the smelling like perfume or aroma, so usually I don't use it when he's here. And today he's here, so I'm not gonna use this, but I really like the smelling. Yes. And in Japan, people believe that there's God in the bathroom, so we clean up the bathroom every day. Even I clean up the bathroom every day, it's still dirty, so I have to do it every day. Like here. This toilet brush, I got this at IKEA store. It was about 100 yen or under 200 yen, so that I can throw it away easily and get renewed. And one more thing that I use for cleaning up the bathroom, I use this Gekiochi-kun. I think it's Japanese products. Yes, it's made in Japan. Nagaseru jogging cleaner. You can throw it away into the bathroom. It's really good. You can get it at 100 yen shop or some other drug store. First, I clean up here. And here. Sometimes the bathroom is very dirty. It's like, wow, who made it dirty like this? Wow. Okay. And not just here. I clean up the walls. And the floor. And after I clean up the toilet, I'm not gonna flush it. I just stayed here until the bathroom is gonna be clean or someone's gonna use it.